Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you, I basically built out a Next.js project which allows you to actually edit your Markdown files directly in the browser and view them. So I'm running this application on localhost here. It's a Next.js application. It's a Markdown editor which you can export your Markdown into HTML and PDF as well. So simply you will paste your Markdown inside this text field. I already pasted it. So once you refresh it, it will look something like this. So here inside the left hand side corner of the screen, you will paste your markdown. And on the right hand side corner, you can easily read your markdown. On the right hand side corner, you will see this will be live preview which will be shown. All these elements are there, tables, source code snippets, everything. So here you simply need to paste the markdown. After that, we have two options. We have two buttons here. We can export your markdown into HTML. You simply click this button. So everything will be exported to HTML file. So it automatically converted your markdown into HTML. And also we have a second button to export your markdown into PDF. So once you click it, all the processing will directly happen in the browser, and this Next.js application will convert your markdown into PDF. So you can just see here. So it's a fully fledged project. If you basically want the source code, just go to the description link, and from that you can directly purchase the full source code. So I have given the link automatically from Google Drive. All the source code will be downloaded once the payment is done. So the link is given in the description. So all the components are divided into its appropriate TypeScript file here. As you can see, the whole application is divided into multiple TypeScript files here. So I have given the link. It's very easy to run. Simply you will go to the command line and just type npm run dev. So here you can easily locally run this application and also deploy this application as well. So this is a fully fledged application which directly runs in the browser. I have given the link. You can directly purchase it. So simply you will paste the markdown, and in the right hand corner of the screen you will see the live preview, and you can export as HTML or PDF as well. So it's a Next.js application. If I show you the package.json file, for this we are using quite a number of dependencies. We are using React Markdown. We are also using the latest React framework motion as well. We are using Next, the latest version framework, React 18. So we are using the latest versions for building this. So it's very simple. So once you get the source code, you will able to add additional features and add and modify the code as well. So I've given the link. You can directly purchase it. So it's a single page application, which is the Markdown editor, which directly runs in the browser, instant live preview in real time. And also we get an option to export your Markdown to HTML or PDF. So definitely check out. I've given the link in the description.